Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're planning to launch an online store in 2025, you have probably heard about Shopify and WooCommerce, two of the biggest e-commerce platforms out there, but which one's better for you? Today I will break down the pros and cons and key difference to help you decide. Let's get started without any further ado. So first of all, let's give a quick overview of both platforms. So actually Shopify is a platform all in one, and it meaning everything is handled for you. You sign up, pick a theme, add your products, and you are set ready to sell. And on the other hand, WooCommerce is a plugin for WordPress. It is free to install, but you will need your own hosting and domain, so it is more DIY and flexible. Both are usually popular, but they hit different types of sellers. Then let's talk about the ease of use. So which one is actually easy of use? Shopify wins for beginners. So here you can see Shopify dashboard from that place. So here you actually the dashboard is. It is super user friendly, drag and drop design, built-in payments and secure hosting all under one roof. You don't need to worry about technical stuff like security updates and server issues. On the other hand, WooCommerce actually, like if I go over here, you can see WooCommerce gives you modern freedom, but that means more responsibility. You need to handle hosting, updates, backups, and sometimes even custom coding. So if you have or love flexibility and don't mind learning curve, WooCommerce is great. If you want simple and done for you, Shopify is better. Now let's talk about the cost comparison. So here you can see the Shopify costing also, and if you want to see the WooCommerce costing, you can see it also. So here actually you can see it that WooCommerce itself is completely free, but you will pay for the hosting, domain, and any premium plugin or themes you use. For example, decent hosting can cost $5 to $15 a month plus extra like security and backups. Shopify has fixed monthly plans. You can see it, the Shopify monthly plans, and it is starting around $25 per month in 2025 for the basic plan that covers hosting, security, and support. But some apps and premium themes can add extra cost. So WooCommerce can be cheaper if you keep it basic, but cost can add up with plugins and developer work. Shopify is more predictable but not free. Now let's talk about the features and flexibility. So Shopify is peak with built-in tools, payment gateway, abandoned cart, recovery, shipping integrations, and an easy-to-use app store. On the other hand, WooCommerce is a big advantage is customization. It is open source, so you can tweak anything if you know how or hire a developer. If you want total control over every detail, WooCommerce is unbeatable. If you prefer plug and play with less hassle, Shopify is a winner. Now let's talk about the support and scalability. Last this one, Shopify has 24/7 support, live chat, email, even phone support. Perfect if you run into issues. WooCommerce has a big community, but direct support depends on your hosting providers or third-party plugin. Both platforms can handle smart shops or use Easter, but Shopify managed hosting could make scaling easier for most people. So which one is best for you? If you want easy setup, reliable support, and all-in-one package, go with Shopify. But if you want unlimited control, lower starting cost, and you are comfortable getting hands-on, WooCommerce might be for you. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more honest e-commerce comparison, and drop a comment. Shopify or WooCommerce, which one will you choose in 2025? Thanks for watching.